In this video, you are going to see how to add a gradient stroke to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. In the previous video, I showed you how to do this in After Effects, but that option is different when compared to the one in Adobe Premiere Pro. So follow along with me and don't skip at any part of the video so that you can avoid confusion and errors. So let's start. After creating the text in Premiere Pro, double tap on the layer so that the properties panel opens like this. Next, select the text and you can unlock more options here. Since we are focusing on adjusting the gradient stroke, so go to the stroke option and tap once on the color box. Here, select the drop down at the top and choose the type of gradient you want. I like the linear gradient for this tutorial. Now select the color stops on both sides and change the colors as per your needs. Once you are okay with that, hit OK. And even if you want, you can increase or decrease this stroke length as well. That's it guys. This is how you can add a gradient stroke to the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.